If you're experiencing connection errors on your Steam Deck, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you identify and fix common problems. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your Wi-Fi is working properly. Test the connection with another device to confirm that your network is active and stable. Step 2. Restart your Steam Deck. Power off your Steam Deck completely and then turn it back on. This can help reset any temporary issues affecting the connection. Step 3. Update Steam Deck software. Make sure your Steam Deck is running the latest software version. Go to Settings, select System, and check for updates. Install any available updates. Step 4. Forget and reconnect to Wi-Fi. Navigate to the Wi-Fi settings on your Steam Deck, select your network, and choose the option to forget it. Then reconnect by entering your Wi-Fi password again. Step 5. Reset network settings. If the issue persists, consider resetting your network settings. Go to Settings, select Network, and look for the option to reset network settings. This will restore default configurations. If you follow these steps, you should be able to resolve the connection errors on your Steam Deck. If problems continue, consider reaching out to Steam support for further assistance.